Hey everybody, I'm just freestyling a little bit. Ooh, I like that note. How do you do it? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I gotta find out what that is. I like that sound. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, but it goes. Ooh, hey, hey. What is that? Want to know what that is? I'm gonna find it. Find out. I think I'm going. Yeah. It's like a turnaround note. How's I playing this? Baby, don't you leave me away, 'cause I need you, or I need you. Don't you leave, no, no, no. Don't you leave. And then maybe go back to that. No, don't you leave. Na, 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 na. Ooh, I like that. It sounds so bluesy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't you, don't you, don't you, don't you, don't you, please, don't, please. And then go back to that. Was it that? Ah, oh, shoot. Oh, that was it. I'm gonna have to get this in my arsenal. Yeah. See. Gotta arch them fingers, man. Let's see. Ooh. Nah. Don't you, don't you, don't you, don't you. Please, 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 don't you leave. I don't know what I would do with you out of my mind. Hey, please don't you leave. What would I do without you? Hey, don't you leave. And hit them with that note. Don't you leave. Yeah, yeah. No, no. This is so fun, dude. Like, totally. I love this thing. Just gotta keep practicing. Gotta keep learning new notes. B minor is going to be in my arsenal. The one that I was just playing, trying to figure out that. I'm going to find out what that is. And then I'm going to start having to get these bar chords incorporated, as much as they're a pain. But I'm going to have to start practicing more. These bar chords. I know I can do it. They're just a pain. Oh, man. Whew. I have to sit down, actually. Sometimes I just wanna hear the rhythm when the birds are on top of the trees singing. What are they calling now? Shalom. Maybe the peace they feel above. You're never alone. Alone. So the birds that I sing on top of the trees, they are calling now, grateful they have peace. And when I see them flying by, they look so free. I just wonder if that will ever be me. Fly, 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 fly away. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just chilling at home, singing, having fun. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more guitar adventures. As you can see, I need to organize my guitar sheets and stuff like that back there. I just noticed that. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.